to put things straight. You are aware we had a little altercation with CS Duale in the committee, the health committee. And in that committee, you realized Honorable Duale, the CS for health, was trying to intimidate the entire committee to the extent that most members walked out. He insinuated that a majority of members in that committee do not understand standing orders because they are members of parliament who've just been elected for the first time. Secondly, he was intimidating our chairman, and to the extent the vice chairman confronted him and he dismissed him and belittled him, which made the vice chair leave that particular meeting. I have been consistent in my concerns about SHA since the onset. The media can attest to this. I have asked hard questions, and this ministry, I can tell you, like Honorable Duale was chased by the military from the Ministry of Defense, it is the same advice I would like to give President William Ruto. Duale will mess you, or he's already messing you in the Ministry of Health. His high-handedness, his recklessness, his disrespect for professionals is extreme. Today, we were asking him questions that we gathered as a committee from the ground when we visited various facilities and when we spoke to members of the public from across the country. And he was quick to defend himself and dismiss us. And each time we ask Duale hard questions, he comes up with stories. If it is a hospital that is asking Duale questions, he will quickly say that that hospital is involved in fraud so that he doesn't pay them. Now that I have decided to be hard on him on the issues that emanate from mismanagement of SHA, his complicity and his what I can call conflict of interest in SHA, when I ask him questions, he quickly says that I own hospitals. I have tried to ask Honorable Duale to demonstrate to me which hospitals I own. He can bring out the CR12. He can even take photos of those particular hospitals and show Kenyans. Each time I ask him questions, that is what he comes up with.